In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to enter your required minimum distribution RMD in TurboTax. Let's get started. So first, your RMD information usually comes from the 1099-R, which shows distributions from retirement accounts like pensions and annuities. Your plan administrator calculates your RMD each year, and according to IRS rules, you must start taking it once you reach age 73. Now, to enter it in TurboTax, you can either import your 1099-R directly, upload it from your PC, take a photo of it, or simply type the information in manually. Once you start entering the form, you will see box 7, which includes distribution codes. Make sure you enter these codes exactly as they appear on your 1099-R because they are very important for correct reporting. As you continue through the process, TurboTax will guide you with simple questions to make sure your RMD is entered correctly and that you have withdrawn the required amount to avoid IRS penalties. Keep in mind that RMD rules apply to most retirement accounts, but IRAs are generally excluded while the account owner is still alive, and that's it. That's how you enter your RMD in TurboTax. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.